my best friend. That's my best friend.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Dave Mo Flips, Team Out 100%, you already know. So we just got a new one. Let's check this thing out. 2015 Volkswagen Passat. It's got the Sport Edition. 95,000 miles on her. One accident reported. Really decent shape overall. This was a TRA buy. So if you guys seen the short, you already know that we're waiting for Manheim to get back to us to see what they're going to do about this car, because there's a note up front that says do not remove lot damage. So this was not there when it was purchased, and you can see the door and this portion is jammed up, but other than that the car's okay. A couple of bumps and bruises here and there, but she's a good looker, you know. Motor she's running now, the motor sounds pretty good, pretty healthy. Here's the note. And the transporter asked them if he could leave, and they said yes. So typical TRA car, typical auction car, truly. All this will get cleaned up. We'll get this thing detailed up really nice. Some McDonald's, that was like an added bonus for me. You know, I'm a sucker for a double cheeseburger. Never even opened the trunk, so we'll open the trunk together. I like that little spoiler wing, whatever. Look at this. So I'll get all that out, I hope. You can see this panel in a bit of glue. So if I'm gonna run this thing through the auction wholesale, I gotta do the best I can to get everything back up to par. All the panels, I guess, maybe. This one. Stuff right here. But two things. Let's make sure she's not about to overheat. And I got some fun stuff to show you. Yeah, temp's still good. Let's look at the trunk. Well, I guess the trunk doesn't open. Oh, there it goes. Oh, what do we got here? We got some, I don't know, those things I think that keep, you know, like you put this underneath a heating tray or something like that. So I'm not even about to go through all this right now. Packing tape, kid shoes. Anyone needs a kid shoe, let me know. Got you. Little truck right over there. But anyway, let me see. Oh, we gotta actually close this one. It doesn't have the buttons. So let's jump in here. We got some lights on. Every light. Like a damn Christmas tree. And this thing doesn't autofocus the way it used to. It used to be a lot better. But you able to see the mileage? I don't know what's up with this phone, man. It used to be a lot better. I don't know what's up. Here we go. Alright. So check this out. You ready? Let me shut the door. Watch. Put the heat right down. You guys know what's going on. So you can see the back of the camera. I'm in reverse. Watch this. You ready? Watch. It wants to go forward. It legitimately wants to go forward in reverse. Look, we're going forward. All right. So then, put it in neutral. Watch. Going forward in neutral. Look, it actually says neutral up there. And this is it. All right, so now it still says neutral, but this down here says drive. So no matter what, it always says neutral. Maybe it's a Volkswagen thing, I don't know, but watch. I mean, drive, you expect it to go drive, right? So, at any rate, let's roll this out the window. It's not automatic? What kind of car doesn't have automatic anymore? Anyways, guys, you let me know. It's just stuck in neutral. Well, it's not stuck in neutral, it's in gear every single time, but I'm noticing here, unless that means north, because I don't see any other shift light indicator. So that might mean north up there. I have to look into it. I don't see, usually with these cars, you'll see them change something when you're putting it in gear. I just ran through all the gears, and it's not ice cold AC, ice cold air. Obviously the motor's running fine, so it is what it is. I'm sure there's roaches in this thing, and if you guys know me, you guys know I don't like roaches. So I'm getting out of here. Let me know, guys. Let me run some numbers for you guys. I paid $48. That's with fees and everything. The high bid was $44. And that's it. So, all right, guys, I'm out of here. I'll catch you on the next one. Hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, do your thing, support your boys, support us. Yo, have a good one.
That's my best friend. That's my best friend.